I'm sharing with you today my 10 secrets that make this potato salad amazing.
The salad comes together quickly and is perfect for the barbecue season or gatherings with family and friends.
It gets bonus points as it's also brain healthy, and who doesn't want that?
We start with the potatoes. If they are big, cut them in half before boiling. Then place the unpeeled potatoes in cold water and boil them at medium heat covered.
Secret number 1.
The best potatoes for potato salad are red potatoes or Yukon Gold. I use red potatoes today as they hold their shape well after cooking and won't become mushy. Potatoes are rich in complex carbohydrates, which give a steady supply of glucose to the brain. They are also rich in vitamin B6, which plays an important role in production of neurotransmitters, essential for balancing mood, sleep, and cognition. And let's not forget antioxidants that help protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation.
Secret number 2.
Season the boiling cooking water with sea salt. Adding sea salt to the boiling water helps infuse the potatoes with a bit more flavor right from the start. While the potatoes are boiling, prepare the rest of the ingredients: celery, radishes, red onion, and carrots. Celery supports brain health with its rich content in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, vitamins, minerals, and water.
Secret number 3.
Add some crunch to the salad. The crunch from radishes, celery, red onion, and carrots contrasts beautifully with the softness of the potatoes.
Secret number 4.
Adding fresh herbs to the salad brightens up the flavors. Today I chose to include fresh dill, but fresh parsley, chives, or cilantro also work well. Did you know that dill contains vitamins A and C and manganese, which play an important role in brain function? Dill is also rich in antioxidants that help protect brain cells from damage caused by free radicals. The next step is to make the dressing by mixing olive oil, lemon juice, maple syrup, Dijon mustard, sea salt, and black pepper in a mason jar with a lid.
Secret number 5.
Lemon juice complements the creaminess of the salad. If you don't have lemon juice on hand, you can replace it with apple cider vinegar, pickles, or pickle juice.
Secret number 6.
Maple syrup balances the acidity of the salad. This touch of sweetness can enhance the flavor of the potato salad. I chose maple syrup today, but finely diced fruits such as apples or grapes or honey also work well.
Secret number 7.
Don't overboil the potatoes. They are ready when a fork can easily pierce them. Overcooked potatoes can become mushy and affect the texture of the salad. Now let's drain the potatoes and allow them to cool until you can touch them with your fingers without burning. Then peel and cube the potatoes evenly and add the rest of the ingredients.
Secret number 8.
Avoid dumping all the dressing on at once. Add the dressing gradually and toss the salad gently to coat each ingredient evenly. I like to use a wooden spoon to minimize turning the potatoes into mush.
Secret number 9.
The salad might seem too shiny from the dressing. Don't worry, the potatoes will absorb all of it and become very flavorful, especially if you allow the salad to cool in the fridge for a few hours or until the next day.
Secret number 10.
Now it's time to take this salad to an 11 out of 10 by adding some protein such as sliced boiled eggs or crispy bacon, or both. What do you usually like to serve the potato salad with? If you make this salad as part of a menu for a fun gathering, then you have to also make this kale salad. It's the only kale salad you'll ever need, and I guarantee you'll love it.